Here I have some adhesive picture hangers that we're going to open up and take a closer look at. This is useful if you have a sawtooth-like hanger on the back of your picture frame, or if you have a wire that goes across the back. This one's stuck inside. There we go. So as you can see, they have this adhesive backing, and this is a pull tab. So when you actually stick it onto the wall and you want to remove it, you pull this out and it stretches, and then the whole hanger can come off without leaving any marks. This is the backing for this, and this is the top hook where you could put that sawtooth hanger on the back of picture frame right on top of there. You can see how that looks. As an example here, I have the back of a picture frame, and it has this sawtooth-like hanger there. So this top part would go right in there. See how that just hooks in right there. Right in like that. And that's how it hangs. And then if you have a wire going behind your picture frame, you would insert that into the bottom part here. So that would just go right in there into that slot. That's all there is to it.